Hello everyone, today we're taking a trip back in time to the 1970s, a golden era for the American automotive industry. Let's explore the 10 most unique cars of the decade, featuring bold designs, unusual features, and lasting impacts on automotive history. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any exciting videos. The AMC Gremlin 1970 is a symbol of boldness in the American automotive industry of the 1970s. The AMC Gremlin is compact with a length of only about 3 with its unique design, featuring an abruptly shortened rear end. The Gremlin stood out among its contemporaries. This AMC Gremlin was created to compete with small imported cars like the Volkswagen Beetle and Toyota Corolla, with a starting price of just $1.87. The car offered various engine options ranging from a 4-cylinder 2.0L to a V8 5.0L, delivering impressive performance for a compact vehicle. The Gremlin utilized a body O&F frame construction, developed on the AMC Hornet platform with a short wheelbase of approximately 54mm. The front suspension featured coil springs for a smoother ride. The rear suspension used leaf springs, enhancing load-carrying capacity. The interior was simple but practical, providing enough space for 4 passengers and a foldable rear seat for increased cargo space. The Gremlin faced criticism for its build quality. However, it quickly became a cultural icon, appearing in numerous films and becoming a favorite among car modification enthusiasts. Introduced in 1971, the Ford Pinto was designed by Ford Motor Company to compete with the wave of compact cars like the Volkswagen Beetle and Toyota Corolla. The Ford Pinto featured a compact fastback design with a length of just about 4.15 its squared-off front. Small grille and round headlights gave it a modern appearance that harmonized with the aesthetics of the 1970s. In addition to the basic 2-door sedan version, the Pinto was also available as a hatchback and a station wagon. Notably, the station wagon variant offered generous cargo space, making it particularly popular among small families. The Ford Pinto was equipped with compact engine options, including a 1.6L4 engine, sourced from Kent Engine in the UK, delivering approximately 75 horsepower, a 2.0Li4 engine from Ford of Europe, more powerful with nearly 100 horsepower. These engines were paired with either a 4-speed manual transmission or a 3-speed automatic transmission. The Pinto's interior was designed with simplicity in mind, featuring a dashboard made of hard plastic seats, upholstered in fabric or vinyl, and basic manual controls. Optional features included air conditioning, an AM/FM radio, and a heating system, with a starting price of just $1.99. The Pinto was one of the most affordable cars on the market. At the time the Chevrolet Vega, introduced in 1970, was a strategic product by General Motors GM. The Chevrolet Vega was a compact car with an overall length of approximately 4.32 and a wheelbase of 2.67 Its front design featured dual round headlights combined with a rectangular grille, giving it a modern and bold appearance. The rear of the car had a boxy design with simple horizontal tail lights. The Chevrolet Vega was offered in 2-door sedan hatchback station wagon, and later the Cosworth Vega versions. It was equipped with a 2.3Li4 engine, producing 90 to 110 horsepower, one of GM's entirely new engines, featuring an aluminum alloy design instead of traditional cast-iron transmission options, included a 3-speed or 4-speed manual gearbox, along with a 2-speed or 3-speed automatic transmission, offering operational flexibility. The seats in the Chevrolet Vega were upholstered in fabric or vinyl, with manually adjustable front seats. The dashboard was compact and user-friendly, featuring gauges for speed, fuel, and temperature. Despite being a compact car, the Vega's rear seats were spacious enough for 2 adult passengers, with foldable rear seats available in the hatchback and station wagon models. The Chevrolet Vega was affordably priced with a starting price of around €2.00. It received the Car of the Year Award 1971 for Motor Trend magazine for its outstanding design and features. The Stutz Black Hawk, introduced in 1971, was one of the most luxurious and unique cars of the 1970s, designed by Stutz Motorcar of America. It was handcrafted and produced in limited quantities. The 1971 Stutz Black Hawk measured approximately 5.79 4 million around Motors' V8 engine, typically a 7.5L 455 cubic in unit, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, producing approximately 425 horsepower. The interior of the Stutz Black Hawk was where the car truly shone. It featured premium leather seats, often handcrafted with natural wood or 24-karat gold accents. The dashboard was crafted from fine woods, such as walnut, with gleaming metallic details that exuded sophistication. Luxury amenities included power, adjustable seats, a heating system, and an integrated telephone, a cutting-edge technology for its time. The Stutz Black Hawk was not a car for the masses, with a starting price of around $22.5 in 1971, equivalent to over $150. Today, the Black Hawk targeted only the ultra-wealthy. The Brooklyn SV1 was a unique sports car manufactured in Canada from 1974 to 1975 by the Brooklyn Vehicle Corporation. The Brooklyn SV1 stood out with its modern and unconventional design. At the time of its debut, the 1974 Brooklyn SV1 measured 4314 meters, approximately 17.8 in length. Its entire body was made from composite material with integrated color coating, making the car resistant to minor scratches. The front featured a low profile and bold angular lines, complemented by distinctive going doors. The car utilized a reinforced steel chassis to enhance structural rigidity. The Brooklyn SV1 was powered by a robust V8 engine. In 1974, it used the AMC 360 V8 engine with a 5.9L displacement, delivering approximately 220 horsepower. Later models were equipped with the Ford 351 Windsor V8 engine with a 5.8L displacement, and similar power output. Transmission options included a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic. The Brooklyn SV1 could accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h 0 to 62 mph in about 8 to 10 seconds, and had a top speed of 180 km/h 112 mph. It was a 2-seater sports car featuring premium synthetic leather sports seats with a starting price of approximately $7.90, 1974, equivalent to over $50. Today, the SV1 was positioned at a high price point after only 2 years. Brooklyn Vehicle Corporation declared bankruptcy in 1976 with just 854 units of the Brooklyn SV1 produced. The Dodge Tradesman van, introduced in the early 1970s, was one of Chrysler's signature van models. The Dodge Tradesman measured approximately 5 meters in length, 1.9 to 2 meters in width, and around 2 meters in height. The Tradesman van featured a simple yet robust exterior design with a prominent grille, traditional round headlights, and a thick, sturdy front bumper. The Dodge Tradesman was equipped with either a 318 V8.5, 2L, or 360 V8.5. 9L engine producing between 230 and 290 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed or 4-speed manual transmission or a 3-speed automatic transmission. It used a ladder frame chassis and featured an independent front suspension with coil springs and a rear suspension with leaf springs. With a 2+2 or 3-row seating configuration, the Dodge Tradesman could accommodate between 2 and 8 passengers, depending on the version. During the 1970s, the Dodge Tradesman became a popular choice among families for road trips, camping, and outdoor activities. The 1970 Cadillac Eldorado was a pinnacle of luxury and groundbreaking technology, measuring over 5 meters in length. The 1970 Eldorado exuded an impressive presence. It featured a coupe design with a rounded roofline and chrome trim. Surrounding the doors, the front was highlighted by a wide grille with horizontal chrome bars and large, round, elegantly designed headlights positioned on either side of the grille. The 1970 Cadillac Eldorado was equipped with a front-wheel drive system powered by an 8.2 LV8 engine delivering up to 400 horsepower, paired with a turbo-hydromatic 3-speed automatic transmission with an independent suspension system and electronic controls. The Eldorado ensured smooth and comfortable driving. Inside, the seats were upholstered in genuine soft leather, providing a spacious and luxurious experience. The front seats were power-adjustable for added convenience. The 1970 Eldorado became an icon of luxury class, an innovation in automotive design and technology of its era.